Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing, I don't usually discuss like specific flight details and things, but this came to my attention and I thought it was noteworthy, and I kind of wanted to get the word out to folks about upcoming flights which are confirmed via the Thai Embassy website in Singapore. So coming out of Singapore up to Thailand, there are some upcoming flights here in September. Wanted to get this information out to folks and then do a bit of analysis on the overall visa process from the announcement, or I should say from the information which was posted to the Thai Embassy website. And a sort of tip of the hat here to Richard Barrow, specifically his Twitter feed, where this information first came to my attention, and I wanted to do a little bit of deeper analysis just on what's going on here. So we're going to go ahead and throw this up on screen. This is from the Thai Embassy in Singapore. It notes procedures for non-Thai nationals wishing to apply for certificate of entry to enter Thailand in September 2020. Now note, we've done videos, I think we've done 3 of them now, on certificates of entry specifically, and we'll probably have some more as things progress, because the certificate of entry is kind of becoming a linchpin document. It's sort of critical to getting into Thailand. But they do note in this, when are flights available? 4th September 2020, and the flight number is SQ976, and 18th September 2020, flight number SQ976. So when to apply, if you're seeking to come on the 4th of September, they're stating you want to go ahead and apply for your certificate of entry between the 25th and 26th of August 2020, between 2:30 and 4 p.m. And if you're looking to fly on the 18th, good idea to go ahead and apply 8th or 9th September 2020, 2:30 to 4 p.m. It should be noted that the same travel restrictions that we've been dealing with for the past 3 or 4 weeks now, wherein basically non-Thai nationals who are allowed to come in are still restricted to those who have a B visa with work permit or work pre-authorization, as well as those who are married to Thai nationals. Certain types of education visa holders can come in, but for at least the foreseeable future, this is not open to everyone, and I want to make that clear. And specifically, one category that is of major interest is retirement visas. They continue to not be on the list of visas that are going to be allowed to, visa holders that are currently not allowed to enter Thailand. So for the time being, this is what we're dealing with, but I thought I'd get the word out as quick as we could via this platform to go ahead and advise folks that yes, out of Singapore, there are going to be a couple of flights upcoming. Looks like they are confirmed, and you can go ahead and start making some travel arrangements around that. If you have issues in dealing with the documentation and the process, and let me tell you, believe me when I say this, we've been dealing with a number of cases here in the office, and some of our best legal staff have real issues working these cases through, because the logistics of this, it's complex. It's a complicated process right now, and it's especially the case from a timing standpoint. I kind of liken it in my own head to sort of tumblers in a lock. They all have to fall correctly in order for entry to Thailand to occur. It can be done. We facilitated entry for a number of folks in the past weeks. We hope to be doing so for further folks in the coming days, weeks, and months, but it is a complex process logistically and from a documentation standpoint. So if you feel sort of overwhelmed, or you don't feel like you can go ahead and get this done on your own, it may not be a bad idea to go ahead and contact us for some guidance into how best to proceed.